NuRemoteApp is an intelligent computer remote control app that allows smartphones or tablets to control computers and connect to Nugens software. NuRemoteApp utilizes Wi-Fi IoT technology to install the corresponding software and app on the computer and smart devices like smartphones or tablets to simulate a mouse, keyboard, and touchpad. It added shortcut keys such as arrow keys to control the computer, not limited by distance, angle, and venue. It can also control the CamSwitcher Pro visualizer software with Nugens PTZ camera and remotely control the position of the lens by using the preset function to quickly switch to the set positions and angles. And support zoom in and out, image capture, video recording, freeze, mirror or rotate functions. It is worth mentioning the 3 seconds magic pen, which will disappear automatically after 3 seconds, making teaching or meetings more convenient. In addition to controlling CamSwitcher Pro, it can control the Nugens speakerphone, the volume of the PC and the multimedia playback control, and start up the Smart Scheduler smart advertising software and other functions. A smarter way to remotely control your computers and Nugens devices. Go download and try NuRemoteApp for free now.
Nugens. Inspire next generations.